Okay, now to the reel. I got a skil saw or jigsaw, and the clamp broke. Now what do? I don't want to drive 40 miles to go buy another one. So here was my idea. I found a nut, put it in the clamp, drilled a 1/4 inch hole, tapped it 1/4 20, and I made this. Seems to work pretty good. Just slide it up in the hole here. It's hard to do with one hand. Put the blade back in it. Oh, a little too tight. It's hard to do with one hand. Tighten it up. It's ready to go. That's my little tip for the day. Thank you.